Welcome to this video on the principles and mechanics of electrical transformers. We will derive the concepts of electromagnetic induction, flux linkage, and voltage transformation. A transformer is a static electrical device that transfers energy between circuits through electromagnetic induction. It has no moving parts. Key capabilities include stepping up or down AC voltage levels and maintaining frequency stability. Transformers consist of a primary winding, a secondary winding, and a common magnetic iron core. This physical arrangement is essential for mutual induction. The iron core acts as the magnetic highway for energy transfer. It guides the magnetic flux generated by the primary winding to the secondary winding with minimal loss. The process begins with alternating current flowing through the primary winding. The fluctuating AC generates a constantly changing magnetic field within the core, which is the catalyst for induction. Next is flux linkage. The varying magnetic flux travels through the iron core from the primary coil and links with the secondary coil. This flux acts as the carrier for energy transfer. Step 3 is induction via Faraday's law. The changing magnetic field induces a voltage in the secondary winding, generating output voltage without direct electrical connection to the primary source. The voltage change depends on the turns ratio, or the relationship between the number of loops in the primary coil NP and the secondary coil NS. This ratio dictates the electrical output. Transformers operate under the conservation of energy. Power equals voltage times current. If voltage increases, current must decrease, and vice versa, ensuring power in ideally equals power out. In a step-up transformer, the secondary turns NS are greater than the primary turns NP. This increases voltage and decreases current, making it ideal for power plant transmission. In a step-down transformer, NS is less than NP. This decreases voltage and increases current. These are essential for grid distribution, converting high voltage into safe, usable household levels. A comparative analysis shows that step-up transformers increase voltage and lower current for transmission. Step-down transformers lower voltage and increase current for local use. The complete cycle moves from AC input to a varying field, then to flux linkage, leading to induction, and finally, AC output. The energy transformation is instant and continuous. The transformer is the backbone of the modern electrical grid. By mastering magnetic flux and wire turns, we can efficiently transport and safely deliver energy to every outlet.